Hello Hex Kittens, it's Alexis Hex. We are less than 1 month away from the premiere of Knitting's a Drag. Now, some of you have reached out to me and said, Alexis, what if I want to join in right away as that video premieres? What kind of yarn and needles do I want? Well, I'm here to answer that question for you. In the video, we are using size 8 knitting needles and worsted weight yarn, like this red heart. And if you're looking for worsted weight, it is the size 4 that you see on that label. If you're going to like a local yarn store, something like Cascade 220, or if you're at a yarn shop, they'll know what to send you for. They'll be like, I need worsted weight yarn. Alexis told me, and they'll be like, oh, well, if Alexis said, they'll send you right over there. Also, while you're waiting, check out my Teespring shop, where you can get yourself a Knitting's a Drag t-shirt, and most importantly, any good knitter or crocheter needs a project bag. And we have those in full supply too. Alright, I'm really looking forward to the premiere. I hope you all tune in, and you'll find out why Knitting's a Drag. Stay hexy.